How to set up a shop on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can set up a shop on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you cannot just tell that you want to set up a shop and then you can go ahead and create one right away. There are many instances of being eligible to create a shop on Instagram. So let me show you one of the pages that I personally know. I'm going to open up Instagram here and then I'm just going to search for the page. When I come to the page, you have this view shop option, which means you'll be able to view all of their shops. Now if you look at this page properly, they have all these shop options, but they also have the website that is linked on their bio, and they also have many interactivities, and they also have many of their tags and products that they post every day. In order to be able to sell on Instagram, you need to have made a certain requirement. You need to have active engagement rates, you need to have a good number of followers so that Instagram can notice that. When they notice that automatically, and if you're on the business account, they're going to be making you eligible for a shop. For example, if you have a specific account, just tap the three lines icon and then go to settings here. First of all, you want to go to account type, go to switch to professional account, and make sure to switch to a business account. Once you've done that, you should be able to set up a shop after that, because there are many eligibility requirements as I told you. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.